Okay. Hi, class. This is your IXL for next week. One of them is to identify statistical questions. In order for a question to be a statistical question, you have to have a couple of things. So, um, first of all, if it's a statistical question, it's one that you're going to ask multiple people. Organizations, whatever. It'll be something we get from multiple things. There's going to be the data will vary, meaning that um, not it has more than one answer. If it's not statistical, you're looking at there's only one answer, and data would not vary as a result of that. So if we look at this one, it's asking how many seconds are in 1 hour. Well, the number of seconds in an hour never changes, and you'd really only have to figure that out one time. So that would be a no. Okay. So this one's asking how old are the adults in your neighborhood? Now, if you look around your neighborhood, you probably notice that all of the adults are different ages. So that would require figuring out multiple data points. So that would be a statistical question. Okay. This one's asking, what is your favorite animal? If you're only asking one person, it shouldn't be a statistical question. And it was not a statistical question. So how many points do professional basketball teams score in a typical game? Well, that typical game is probably going to vary from team to team. So that would definitely be a statistical question. When is your mother's birthday? If it's only, again, only asking one person, you, then that would not vary at all. So I hope you get this a little bit better now. And go ahead, and when it pops up, this one should be a little bit easier. Just know if it has more than one answer, it should be a statistical question. If it's only one answer, then, or if you're only asking one person, then it would not be.